Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a burger, an Italian burger to be precisely. And for this I'm gonna use a couple of typical Italian delicacies as the main toppings. Here I got Gorgonzola, a cow milk cheese, and this is the creamy version, and Prosciutto di Parma, one of my favorite Italian hams. But first, the seasoning of the meat. Here I got 220 grams of ground beef. Now that is the right amount for a decent burger, if you ask me. So a little bit of sea salt, black pepper, of course. Wow. Quite a lot. As always, I love black pepper in any dish. Then a very nice kind of typical Italian herb, oregano and basil, also quite Italian. Some cayenne pepper for extra heat. Plus some drops of Worcester sauce for a little bit of that typical aromatic flavor. Gonna crush some biscuit in there to make the patty more firm. Mix this all up. It's gonna be a nice blend of all the spices and herbs, flavors. And then this patty goes into the fridge for about 1/2 hour. Just a little bit of olive oil on one side already. I will put the burger in my hot grill pan. I think 2 minutes maximum per side. It's time to flip the burger. Then I put the Gorgonzola cheese on top. That is quite a lot of cheese, but that's good. That's just how I like it. Then I'm placing the pan as a lid on top, so that the cheese can melt beautifully. Open sesame. Now that burger and that Gorgonzola cheese, they're done. They're perfect. That one in there, and then I'm going to use this pan for heating a little bit the prosciutto. Not a long time, just 1 minute. I'm gonna build my burger. First, a little bit of arugula. Nice. Kind of spicy salad stuff, not too much. 2 slices of tomato, then the burger. The prosciutto. Maybe it's a little too much prosciutto. Yeah, that's like enough, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, it can never be too much, because I want the flavor. And then on top, the other side of the bun, the top bun. And I said, this is my Italian burger. I'm gonna eat this, well, try to eat this, because it's huge. I didn't expect this, but anyway. I mean, it's all about the flavors. That's what is important. Yeah. Definitely the blue cheese flavor. Plus the beef with all the Italian spices and herbs in there. Nice with the tomato, some freshness. And then the prosciutto ham. Oh yeah. Beautifully cooked. Not too long. Just right. Not easy to eat, as always. Just about everything is dripping from the burger onto my plate. All the sauce, the cheese, tomato. All the juices. This burger is literally falling apart. I'm a big fan of burgers like this one. And lots of beef, lots of cheese, lots of ham, and vegetables and herbs and spices. Basically everything you want in a burger. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.